Hello everybody, today we make spaghetti all'assassina. In English it's killer spaghetti. For the ingredients we got chicken stock, tomato paste, garlic, flake of hot pepper, grana padano, cherry tomato in oil. It's really good. Or make a tomato. This is my tomato sauce I make, no sweat, no sauce. And we got a spaghetti. Okay, now we start with the pasta. Put the gas on and we put oil. We gotta use oil. This it's the same way when you make a risotto. And this is the pasta, I warm up the oil. And I got some of the garlic over here. The garlic, gotta be chopped really thin. I put a big garlic. Cause one time, see you want, you can eat it together. See no one, you can take it out. And we put the garlic. I like garlic, it can give a really good taste. Okay, got this over here. And now we gotta warm up the garlic a little bit. Okay, when the garlic gets warm up, it starts to jump with oil. See, when it starts to fry, you see already bubble? And we wait now. Okay, now I like to put the tomato paste. And I give a nice turn for the tomato paste. You don't gotta use it too much. The only thing is the tomato paste give a beautiful color for the spaghetti. Okay. And this is enough over here. And now we give a nice turn. All right, that's it. And you take the pasta and you do like this. And now, once in a while, you make the pasta turn like that. Now, for the chicken stock, I gotta put it over here for the pasta. I like to put some tomato on the chicken stock. And the rest, I keep like this. I gotta put over here to give a beautiful color. Now, the gas is on over here for the chicken stock. And the pasta, now, you gotta turn the make it start to come a little soft. And we start to put the chicken stock a little bit at a time, the same way you make the risotto. And make sure the turn, you see already the pasta is starting to be turned a little bit, okay, soften up now with the oil. And now we start to put the chicken stock, mix with the tomato, and we put a couple spoon like this. And we turn like that. You see? And now a little bit at a time, you gotta put the chicken stock. You got the pasta, the spaghetti, the soft up. If you see how beautiful it comes this. Now you see, start to dry now. And all the time, you gotta make sure the poor little chicken stock. Like I said before, it's the same like you make a risotto. And now this, with a little bit at a time, the spaghetti soft. You have to make sure to not put too much, okay, you don't want it too liquid on the spaghetti. Now I cook like this with the chicken stock. And after that, we use regular tomato sauce. Okay, now you see, it's dry and we need more chicken stock, but before I want to put the flake of hot pepper. And I got the tomato, dry tomato. And we give a little turn on this. And now we got more chicken stock of the put. Okay. And now we leave cook like this. They see this? It dry right away with the chicken stock. Now it got boil more. Okay, now we use a little salt, not too much salt. I got my sauce, it's already salty, and the chicken stock gets salt. Only half a teaspoon salt, that's enough. And we use a little black pepper. Okay, and we give a nice turn. You see? The pasta is so delicious. Look at that. I like it, eat the pasta all'assassina like this. Like this, assassina pasta. Okay, look how beautiful. And now we put my tomato sauce to give a beautiful color more. And we use a little bit. That's enough. And we give a nice turn. And now you gotta cook the dry, all the tomato, you gotta nice, it's a little wet like this. We gotta make a little bit more dry. This it's done, the pasta assassina. Let's bring over here and let's take this one. And not forget the cheese. Oh, so beautiful. And now I want to test it. So good there with the mayo, baby. Now it's a real assassina. The hot pepper, it killed me. A little wine. It's really good with the pasta. Little oye baby. E salute cin cin devi fare. Cin cin. Oh, thank you so much. Try this pasta. It's delicious. Thank you. And we see next time. And with this pasta, I give a little dance too. Cause the pasta is so delicious. Thank you. And we see next time. Bye.